Designing a nursery is an exciting and rewarding task. This room will be a haven for your little one, a place where they'll grow, explore, and sleep. Whether you're preparing for a newborn or updating an existing nursery, the decor plays a huge role in creating a cozy, safe, and inspiring space. From choosing the right colors and furniture to adding adorable accessories, there are endless ways to design a nursery that reflects your personal style while providing a functional environment for your child. In this guide, we'll explore a variety of nursery decor ideas to help you create a peaceful and beautiful space for your baby. Choosing the right color palette is one of the most important steps in designing a nursery. Soft, calming hues like pastel blues, pinks, yellows, and greens work well to create a soothing environment for your baby. For a more neutral and modern look, gray, white, or beige tones paired with accent colors can create a fresh, versatile backdrop. When it comes to themes, the options are endless. You can opt for classic themes like animals, nature, or clouds, or choose something more specific, like a nautical or woodland theme. Whimsical designs, such as a celestial theme with stars and moons, or a more sophisticated style, like Scandinavian-inspired minimalism, are also popular choices. If you're unsure about committing to a theme, a simple color palette with a few statement pieces of decor can be just as effective. Subtle, yet playful accents like a unique mobile, framed artwork, or a few themed accessories will add personality to the room without overwhelming the space. If these nursery decor ideas inspired you to create a cozy and stylish space for your little one, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who's designing a nursery. When it comes to furniture in a nursery, functionality is key. The crib is the focal point of the room and should be both safe and comfortable. Choose a crib that meets modern safety standards, with adjustable height features and sturdy materials. Convertible cribs that grow with your child and can transform into toddler beds are a great investment. In addition to the crib, you'll need a comfortable place to sit for feedings and late-night snuggles. A rocking chair or glider can provide soothing motion, while a comfortable cushion and supportive armrests are essential for long feeding sessions. Storage is another crucial element in nursery design. Storage solutions like baskets, shelves, and drawers can help keep the room organized and tidy. Opt for furniture that offers built-in storage, such as a changing table with drawers or a dresser that doubles as a changing station. Don't forget about a cozy rug for the nursery floor. A soft, non-slip rug can make the space feel warmer and more inviting, and it can also serve as a safe area for your baby to play and explore. What's your favorite nursery decor feature? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're styling your baby's room. Lighting plays a vital role in creating a calm and peaceful nursery. Layering different types of lighting is key to creating the right atmosphere for your baby. A soft, warm-tone ceiling light or pendant can serve as the main source of illumination, but it's important to include ambient lighting options as well. Consider adding a nightlight or a dimmable table lamp for nighttime feedings or middle-of-the-night diaper changes. This will ensure the room stays softly lit without being too harsh or disruptive. Some night lights even come with soothing sounds or projected images that can help your baby relax and fall asleep. Wall sconces are another great option for adding ambience without taking up floor space. Choose fixtures with adjustable settings so you can direct the light exactly where you need it. String lights or fairy lights are also a fun, whimsical touch that adds a bit of magic to the room. Be sure to place the crib away from direct light sources to ensure your baby sleeps comfortably, especially during nap time. Opt for blackout curtains or shades to control the amount of natural light entering the room. For more creative nursery ideas and home decor inspiration, subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Decorative accessories are the finishing touches that make a nursery feel personal and unique. Wall art is one of the easiest ways to bring character to the room. Choose framed prints, canvases, or wall decals that match the room's theme or color scheme. Whimsical designs featuring animals, alphabet letters, or nature scenes are perfect for a nursery. Adding a few decorative items, such as stuffed animals, plush toys, and soft blankets, can create a warm and inviting space. Be sure to choose safe, hypoallergenic items for your baby's comfort. For extra charm, a mobile above the crib with spinning figures or gentle sounds can capture your baby's attention while also adding a lovely decorative touch. Consider incorporating personal elements into the nursery's design, like a custom name sign, a family photo wall, or a handmade mobile. These personal touches will make the room feel more like home. For added texture, think about including fabric elements, such as throw pillows, curtains, or a plush throw blanket for the glider chair. A soft and inviting nursery will not only look great but also provide a cozy environment for you and your little one to bond and spend quality time together. Check out our nursery decor playlist for more tips on creating a functional and beautiful space for your baby, from furniture to wall art. Designing a nursery is one of the most exciting projects for any parent-to-be. It's the space where your little one will grow, sleep, and explore, and it should reflect warmth, comfort, and safety. Creating a balanced, functional, and aesthetically pleasing nursery can be both fulfilling and practical. As you navigate through the process, every choice, from colors to furniture, helps set the stage for the early years of your baby's life, offering a soothing environment for them to thrive in. When designing your nursery, it's essential to create a space that grows with your child. You don't need to overdo it with themes or overly decorative elements. Instead, focus on timeless, functional design that can be easily adapted as your child grows. Neutral color palettes, simple furniture pieces, and versatile decor allow you to update the room as your baby's personality and needs evolve. The importance of a soothing color palette cannot be overstated. Soft neutrals like pale grays, beiges, and whites help set the tone for a peaceful space. These hues create a calm atmosphere, promoting rest and relaxation. Introducing pops of color in accessories like throw pillows, toys, and artwork brings life to the room without overwhelming it. You can use subtle accents of pastel blues, pinks, or yellows to bring cheer, but always keep the tone soft and inviting. Furniture choices are just as vital for making the most of your nursery's space. Comfort and practicality are your top priorities, and choosing furniture that serves multiple purposes is key. A crib that can convert into a toddler bed, a comfortable rocker or glider for late-night feedings, and a storage solution that can hold your baby's essentials are all must-haves. This functional furniture will ensure the room remains both organized and welcoming. Incorporating personal touches, such as family photos, custom name signs, or special mementos, will make the nursery feel even more personal. These small additions make the room feel uniquely yours, adding warmth and meaning to the space. As your baby begins to grow, these elements will help you create memories that last a lifetime. Accents like wall art, textiles, and lighting can truly elevate the nursery's atmosphere. Wall art doesn't need to be complex. Simple framed prints, motivational quotes, or a whimsical mural can add character and charm. Soft, ambient lighting, perhaps from a cute nightlight, pendant light, or even string lights, adds warmth and can be a comforting presence during the night, perfect for those midnight feedings or gentle nighttime routines. The nursery is more than just a room, it's a sanctuary for your family. It's where you'll spend precious moments bonding with your baby, whether you're reading stories, giving them a bath, or simply holding them close. Want to recreate these nursery looks? Find all the featured furniture, decor, and accessories linked in the description below. Creating a calm, serene environment will benefit not only your little one but also provide a peaceful retreat for you. The nursery becomes a space where memories are formed, and its design should reflect the joy, comfort, and love that define this special time. As you continue to decorate your nursery, remember that the best design decisions are those that reflect your personal style while remaining comfortable and practical. The combination of functionality and beauty will make the nursery a space that both you and your baby will cherish for years to come. With thoughtful planning, your nursery will not only be a place where your child feels safe and comfortable, but also a room that brings joy, relaxation, and creativity to your home. The right design choices, whether through simple or elaborate decor, create an atmosphere that promotes well-being, making every corner of the nursery a place of happiness. Ultimately, the nursery is a room that celebrates both your baby's early stages of life and the love you've already begun to nurture. It's about creating a place where growth, love, and comfort coexist, where you and your baby can create precious memories together, in a space that's as beautiful as it is functional.